my name is Marisa Leon. I am the director here at SIS. I am currently starting my third year at the school. I came in 2018 and it has been a wonderful experience. We're here today to talk about what happened last year for our annual review. I would say last year, the year 2019-2020, was a year of unity, a year of resilience, and a year of innovation. Let me start with unity. We were able to determine that our annual goal for last year was to work in building our community spirit through sustainability and through innovation. So in the fall, we had a new preschool playground that was inaugurated, and we were able to see the unity of our kids coming together and playing together, which was lovely. We were able to also launch our first Spirit Fund. The Spirit Fund is the annual fund of the school. We all came together to support the community and support our school with projects that cannot be covered by the annual budget. Fortunately, we met our goals and we were able to fundraise for 3 specific projects that we are now benefiting on this year. One is a makerspace for our primary students, makerspace materials. We were also able to fund for a Nepal project, which is an ongoing project our school has with a community and village school in Nepal. Some of our students get to go to Nepal every year. And our third project was to actually create campus regeneration through the creation and new lighting for our auditorium. So in that sense, we really had a year of unity. The second was our year of resilience. We showed a lot of flexibility. Parents, staff, teachers. We had to go from campus-based learning to remote learning in the spring due to the pandemic, and then back to campus-based learning. Everybody showed a great deal of patience and a great deal of understanding of our circumstances changing back and forth. So it truly was a year of resilience. And finally, I really think this was also a year of innovation. We were able to develop the Seesaw platform to a greater extent because of being in remote learning. Our teachers really learned new tools, new technologies, new applications to be able to really have very effective learning in their virtual environments. And we also were able to develop the school new website that also came with new branding for the school. And of course, a bit of fun at the end of the spring, we even had our new mascot. The new mascot's name is he's an owl, or she, it can be, or it. Augie is the name, Augie the SIS owl. So we ended the year in a high note, and we were able to fortunately offer a little bit of a different but really beautiful graduation to our students. And so the year ended in a high note despite all the challenges and everything that came in the spring. It is lovely to talk to you today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!